Well, so part of the challenge is what we think of as one drink. So I think, much like, if you learn to read the serving size on a food, you realize that, like, oh, a serving of ice cream is like a half a scoop. It's not like a giant ice cream sundae. The same is true with alcohol. So in the UK, the kind of low risk drinking limits talk about units of alcohol, which is the equivalent of 8 grams of alcohol. So how much of a drink has 8 grams of alcohol? And to be in that low risk category, you have to be below 14 units. The problem is that glass of wine, just eyeballing it, has several units of alcohol. So it is not even though we think of it as a single drink, it's probably, I have to guess, but it's probably like 3 units of alcohol.
So if I have a glass of wine every day, I'll be over that limit then?
You'd be right at that limit. The problem is most people don't drink just one glass. If you, if you have 2 glasses one day and then 1 glass one day and then 3 glasses one day because you're at a social function, all of a sudden you're actually quite a lot over that limit.
So if you said that this is roughly 3 units, roughly,
And you get 14 a week.
you get 14 a week.
Mm-hmm.
So 3 times 7,
Mm-hmm.
21.
Yep. So yes, you're over if you're drinking that size. Yeah.
Okay, so if I have this glass of wine every day, then I'd be over the UK limit of
Lower risk drinking.
lower risk drinking. So I'd be medium risk drinking.
You'd be in what we call moderate risk, which is associated with pretty much every form of cancer, which I think people don't know.